Alright, what's up, Bankroll? So I picked up these GSR blades off of Facebook Marketplace. From what I know, these are kind of rare. They're kind of hard to find. But yeah, I got them for 400 bucks. I mainly paid just for the rims. I'm gonna need new tires. The last guy had these put on. Fucking Iron Man, Ling Long. But it's mainly just dirt and clear coat that we need to get rid of. So Brian knows a whole lot more than me on that. He's gonna come by right now. Yeah, these shouldn't be too hard to restore. So the first step would be to just apply.
I'm just trying to get it everywhere, but it's kind of hard. So, as you can see, the face on the rims is supposed to be like a polished look, but the clear coat on it is really failing everywhere. So what we're gonna do is we're using aircraft remover. It's basically gonna eat the clear coat layer up, and then after that we'll be able to sand the face a little bit and then polish it with the mother's mag and aluminum polish, and hopefully bring these puppies back to life.
Show them the tires. Ling Long, Iron Man 2.
It does not say Iron.
And then I Move.
Dude, this shit's not
Where's
working.
I Move right here?
Is it working?
Dope brands.
I had an Integra. I always tried to look for them and I could never find them. But I mean, shoot, 400 for any set of cool rims.
Ouch.
Ouch. Hurry, just stab it.
There you go. Look, it had tape
What?
on it. This shit's fucking.
Oh, you're gonna have to order new ones.
Fuck that.
Why? It's worth it.
8 doobies to the face.
It's working, huh? I feel like it looks like it's not as shiny. Dude, it looks like we're not.
Oh, it burns my eye, bro.
We put a pretty thick layer of this on. Now we're gonna wait for this to.
This shit's cooking my hand.
What would you call it?
Photosynthesize.
We're gonna wait for this to photosynthesize, and then we'll be back when we'll pop some sandpaper. It does look like it's kind of working.
On that one, yeah, hella.
We'll see if it works.
Alright, calm down.
We let the aircraft sit for like, I'd say like half an hour, and now we're washing it off.
Wow. The clear coat's coming off.
Alright, now we're gonna have to sand them. We're gonna start off with
Don't send them.
600 grit. Go to 800, and then 1,000, and then 1,500. We don't have 1,000.
to start off the sanding. We're just gonna dip it in some soapy water, and then just go to town on it.
It's looking pretty good, you know?
Yeah, huh? Thanks, guys. Alright, so we started with 600 grit, and then we went on to 800, and then 1,500. So they're looking pretty white right now. But about to polish them. Final step right here.
It's better already, bro.
What's up, guys? It's been a couple days since we last polished these. I went and got some new tires.
So we didn't really get to polish them good. 1, because we didn't have a machine. 2, because it was late at night. And then 3, we were just goofing off. But so I'm just gonna put some aluminum polish on this pad, and then we'll see what we could do on the rim. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be better than how it was. So shout out to everybody watching. Let's bring this rim right here, and I'm just gonna spread it out so when I go to polish, it doesn't fling everywhere. It's working, huh? Yeah. Eagle 1, never dull. So I'm using this because it gets in the corners.
Big ass difference. Looks pretty good.
I use the never dull.
These 3 rims right here just have 1 pass. This is after how much passes, Brian?
Shoot, we probably did 2 with the rotary.
Yeah.
But like, same thing, 1 with the drill.
Yeah.
It looks brand new, huh? We'll do a time lapse of this one because I think it's the worst one. with some tire shine on these rims, it looks pretty good.
This looks hella good, bro.
I'm sure if you have a better pad and actual polish, it would work a lot better. But I mean, this works pretty good.
There we go. They look pretty good. Shout out Brian.
Shout out OMG Miata.
Who's that? Some quick little before and afters.
Here's the after. Came out pretty good. They look brand new. We'll zoom in. There's a couple like deep pits and stuff, like, but nothing you're gonna notice from a couple feet away. They are, you know, like 20, 30-year-old rims, however old, but they cleaned up pretty nice. Polisher, your choice of polish, and just go to town. So these rims were originally fading, the clear coat. So we sanded it all down, got it all smooth and even, and then, yeah, like we said, just got the polisher and went to town with it. There's the taggy. And these ugly ass, janky ass ISR rims, MSR, whatever it is. MSR.